this is my bead table right now. You know what's crazy? I really have like 3 different pieces. So this is like one piece, but then I broke that top. So that's actually a wood top. And this is a Walmart table with the cloth over it. And here's another Walmart table with cloth over it. So the point I'm trying to make here is we're going to nigger rig that shit, right? And we're going to do the best we can with what we have. All right. So we got our 2 tables. Progress. And now we got the shape. Oh, shoot. Bam. So I'm almost done organizing, right? So we're going to go through those bags, last bit, and then finish setting up the table. So I'm going to come back and give y'all a tour when it's all set and done.
I remember you was conflicted. Misusing your influence. Sometimes I did the same. Abusing my power full of resentment. Resentment that turned into a deep depression.
I'm tired. Okay. So I finally got this whole thing condensed down. Okay. Here's my tip. So when you're labeling your drawers, don't use the printer label and try to recycle like I did, because you're going to end up with this mess and it just looks ugly. So I know I'm not about to clean it off. I guess I'm going to just throw this away. If somebody wants this, if you're in Georgia, come get it. But yeah, if not, I'm about to throw this away and condense everything down and